students, welcome to my channel GetUp24@7. I am your PP ma'am present here to give you some idea about the GK on microbiology. Let's start. Study of microbe is called microbiology. What do you mean by medical microbiology? The medical microbiology is a study of microorganism that causes disease in human. Who first observed the bacteria? Answer is Antony van Leeuwenhoek of Holland discovered the bacteria. Number 4. Who and when discovered penicillin? Answer is Alexander Fleming in the year 1929 discovered penicillin. Who introduced the staining technique? Answer is Robert Koch of Germany. Who is known as father of bacteriology? Answer is Louis Pasteur. He is also developer of hydrophobia vaccine. Microorganism belongs to which kingdom? They belongs to the Protista kingdom. Define the prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are devoid of nucleus, that is bacteria, or absence of nucleus in the prokaryotic cell. Question number 9. Eukaryotic cell means well developed nucleus is present in the cell. Define virus. Virus are obligate intracellular parasite. The meaning of obligate intracellular parasite is they cannot live outside any host cell. Inside the host cell or living organism, they multiply themselves. 11. Which organelle of bacteria used for locomotion? Answer is flagella. Which organelle of bacteria used for adhesion? Answer is fimbria. Give one example of gram-positive bacteria. Answer is streptococcus. Give example of gram-negative bacteria. Answer is salmonella. Give example of medicinally important bacteria. Answer is staphylococcus and streptococcus. What do you mean by mycoplasmas? Answer is don't have the cell wall. Vibrios are dash shaped. Answer is comma shaped. Spirilia are dash. Answer is rigid. Bacilli are dash shaped. Answer is rod shaped. What is the NNN medium? Novi, McNeil and Nicol medium. Let's learn some MCQs. There are 4 options given. Among them, one is the most correct. We have to choose that correct one. Let's start. The principal light trapping pigment molecule in the plant, alga and cyanobacteria is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, porphyrin, rhodopsin. Let's see, the answer is chlorophyll A. Number 2. During the biogeochemical cycle, some amount of elemental carbon was utilized by the microorganism. This phenomena is called as dissimulation, immobilization, decomposition, neutralization. Answer is immobilization. Who demonstrated that the open tube of bath remained free of bacteria when air was filled of dust? Answer sir, Abba Spallanzani, John Tyndall, Francisco Redi, Pasteur. Answer is John Tyndall. The symptom general feeling of illness and discomfort is called cystitis, malaise, anaphylactic shock, arthritis. The correct answer is cystitis. On soybean, which of the following forms symbiotism? Symbiotism means dependent life on each other. So Azotobacter paspali, Rhizobium, Nostoc, Bradyrhizobium. The answer is Bradyrhizobium. Question 6. Who provide the evidence that bacteriophage nucleic acid but not the proteins enter the host cell during infection? Answer sir, Alfred D. Hershey and Ginder Tatum in 1951, Alfred D. Hershey and MacLeod in 1952, Alfred and Hershey and Martha Chashin in 1952, Alfred D. Hershey and Ginder Leisberg in 1951. The correct answer is Alfred D. Hershey and Martha Chashin in 1952. Spirulina belongs to which family? Xanthophyceae, Cyanophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Phaeophyceae. The correct answer is Cyanophyceae. The first antibody to contact invading the microorganism was immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin D. The correct answer is immunoglobulin M. The light emitted by the luminescent bacteria is mediated by the enzyme coenzyme luciferase lactase dehydrogenase carboxylase reductase. The correct answer is lactase dehydrogenase. Question 10. Pick out the vector using in Human Genome Project. Answer sir, phasmid vector, yeast artificial chromosome, yeast episomal plasmid. The correct answer is yeast artificial chromosome. Salt and sugar preserve the food because they make them acid, produce a hypnotic environment, deplete the nutrients, produce a hypertonic environment. The correct answer is produce a hypertonic environment. In a fluorescent microscope, the objective lens is made up of glass, quartz, polythene, none of this. Let's see, the correct answer is polythene. Fixation of atmospheric nitrogen by means of which method? Number 1, biological process, lightening, UV light, all of this. So the correct answer is all of this. Which one of the fungi is most serious threat in the bone marrow transplant unit? Aspergillus, Blastomyces, Cryptococcus. The answer is Aspergillus. The direct microscopic count can be done with the aid of Newberg chamber, anaerobic chamber, mineral oil, olive oil. The correct answer is Newberg chamber. The image obtained in a compound microscope is real, virtual, real inverted, virtual inverted. The answer is virtual. The enzymes responsible for alcoholic fermentation is ketolase, zymase, peroxidase, oxidase. Answer is zymase. Which type of spores produced sexually? Conidia, sporangiospores, ascospores, none of these. The correct answer is ascospores. The bacterial transformation was discovered by Edberg and Tatum, Bedell and Tatum, Griffith, none of this. The correct answer is Edberg and Tatum. The antiseptic method was first discovered by Lawonsky, Lord Lister, Edward Jenner, Bazernik. The answer is Lord Lister. Smallpox vaccine was discovered by Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Lister, Edward Jenner. The correct answer is Edward Jenner. The term mutation is coined by Pasteur, Darwin, Hugo de Vries, Lamarck. Answer is Hugo de Vries. The compound microscope was discovered by Anthony von Pasteur, Johnson and Hans, none of this. So the correct answer is Johnson and Hans. Disease that affect many people at different countries is termed as sporadic, pandemic, epidemic or endemic. The correct answer is pandemic. Father of medical microbiology, Pasteur, Koch, Jenner, L. Hock. The correct answer is Koch. The prophylaxis of cholera is protected water supply, environmental sanitation, immunization with killed vaccine, all of this. Answer is environmental sanitation. In electron microscope, what material is used as an objective lens? Magnetic coil, superfine glass, aluminum foil, electron. The correct answer is magnetic coils. The stacked particle on the cristae of mitochondria are called glyoxysome, peroxisome, spherosome, oxysome. So the correct answer is peroxisome. Kuru disease in human is caused by bacteria, viroids, prions, mycoplasma. The correct answer is prions. During conjugation, the genetic material will be transferred through shell wall, medium, capsule, pili. And the answer is pili. Antiseptic surgery discovered by Joseph Lister, Anselm Tabbe, Pasteur and Weizsäcker. Answer is Joseph Lister. Tuberculosis is a waterborne disease, airborne disease, foodborne disease, arthropod-borne disease. The answer is airborne disease. Hybridoma technique was first discovered by Kohler and Milstein, Robert Koch, D1 Hillery and Lord Steiner. The answer is Kohler and Milstein. In the electron microscope, the source of electron is from mercury lamp, tungsten lamp, both A and B, none of this. Answer is tungsten lamp. The resolution power of a compound microscope is 0.02 micron, 0.02 millimeter, 0.2 angstrom, 0.2 centimeter. The correct answer is 0.02 micron. The capacity of given strain of microbial species is to produce disease known as pathogen, virulence, infection, none of this. The correct answer is virulence. 37. Hanging trap method for the mortality study first introduced by Robert Koch, Pasteur, Galileo, none of this. So the correct answer is Pasteur. The inventor of microscope is Galileo, Antony von Pasteur, Koch. The answer is Antony von. The Pasteur conducted the fermentation experiment in milk, food material, fruit juice, both A and B. The correct answer is fruit juice. Question 40. Modern concept of chemotherapy was first proposed by Paul Ehrlich, Joseph Lister, Ehrlich Metchnikoff, none of this. The correct answer is Ehrlich Metchnikoff. In the electron microscope, source of electron is from mercury lamp, tungsten lamp, both A and B, none of the above. The correct answer is tungsten lamp. Similarly, Vibrio cholera was first discovered by Koch, Metchnikoff, Johnson Snow, Bicro. The correct answer is Metchnikoff. Mycobacterium tuberculosis was first discovered by Robert Koch, Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, none of this. The correct answer is Robert Koch. Staphylococcus aureus was discovered by Rosenberg, Louis Pasteur, Pasteur, Sarah Alexander. The correct answer is Louis Pasteur. The Mycobacterium tuberculosis was isolated by Robert Koch, Edward Jenner, Hansen and Louis Pasteur. Answer is Robert Koch. T. palladium was discovered by Robert Koch, Soudin and Hoffman, Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner. Correct answer is Soudin and Hoffman. Neisser gonorrhea was first discovered by Neisser in 1879, Pasteur in 1878, Robert Koch or none of this. The correct answer is Pasteur in 1878. The Rh factor of blood was discovered by the scientists Louis Pasteur, Landsteiner and Wiener, Januszky, Mass. The correct answer is Landsteiner and Wiener. Thank you for watching my videos.